Great job on an outstanding start to the 2018-2019 school year. We had many successes over our first 2.5 weeks, and that has everything to do with the teamwork throughout our entire school district. As we continue our school year, I encourage everyone to continue engaging our mission each and every day for our students. A school day cannot start until our students arrive safely at our doors, nor can it end as a success until everyone arrives home safely. Each day, our bus drivers and transportation department have the responsibility of delivering over 4,400 students to and from school. This is a tremendous responsibility, and we appreciate the hard work of the transportation team. Through increased communication between our transportation department and buildings this school year, we had the smoothest transition to a regular schedule that I have witnessed. Thank you to our transportation team in each building for ensuring success. In case you have not noticed, the academic addition to the Waynesville Middle School is nearly complete, with finishing touches being placed on the exterior of the building. This much-needed addition has provided a significant update to our middle school facility, which includes a new cafeteria and a media center, wider hallways, and a great deal of natural lighting. We will host an open house for the community from 1 to 3 p.m. on Sunday, October 7th, and I encourage everyone to attend. Our district diversity team continues to meet monthly, and our first community event will be the Tiger Festival of Nations, which will take place during the September 14th football game against Hillcrest. This event will feature tables sponsored by local cultural and diversity groups and will include food as well as information about the numerous groups that make up our wonderful community. School-age children attending the event will receive a passport to visit tables and be entered into a drawing to receive Tiger apparel at halftime of the game. Please come out and join us as we celebrate our wonderfully diverse community. During the recent Sustainable Ozarks Partnership annual meeting, I had the opportunity to listen to the individual responsible for base realignment and closures with the Office of Economic Adjustment. His department plays a key role in the considerations made by our military to reduce infrastructure, which does include closing installations. While he cited many important factors, he paused and reiterated quite clearly 2 key points. And the first of those points was, you must have great schools. Above numerous other characteristics that make a community attractive to the military, education sits at the top. Thank you for all you do for our students and our community, and have a great September.